In this video, I will be showing you how to work the Suzette stitch. This stitch is a simple textured crochet stitch pattern which uses single and double crochet stitches. This stitch is used in our Aura blanket pattern. Today, I will be using Wool & the Gang's Shiny Happy Cotton in Duck Egg Blue, and then a 6.5 crochet hook. So let's get started. This stitch is worked over an odd number of stitches. Today I'm going to be working over 21 stitches. First, take your yarn and make a slip knot. Take your crochet hook and place it on your hook. Now work 21 chain stitches. Like that. Now you'll be working a setup row. So make one chain stitch. This is your turn-in chain and doesn't count as a stitch. Now working into the second chain, not counting the one on your hook, work one single crochet stitch. So not working into here, working into this second one. Now working into that same stitch, you're now going to work a double crochet stitch. So wrap your yarn around, insert your hook, pull through. Like so. Now you're going to skip the next chain stitch and do the same into the following one. Work one single crochet stitch and then one double crochet stitch. Now you're going to repeat this until you have one chain left of your foundation chain. So skip the next chain, then work one single crochet and then one double crochet into the same chain stitch. Skip the next one, work one single crochet and then one double crochet. And keep doing this until you only have one chain stitch left. And then you skip that one, and then the last one, you're going to make one single crochet stitch into this last chain. Like so. And this is your setup row. Once you've worked the setup row, to work in this stitch, there is just a one row repeat. So make a chain stitch. Again, this is your turning chain and doesn't count as your first stitch. Then make one single crochet stitch and then one double crochet stitch into the first stitch. So this stitch here, you're working one single crochet followed by one double crochet. Then skip the next stitch. And now you're going to be working a repeat section, which is making one single crochet and one double crochet into the next stitch, following by skipping the next stitch. So skip, single crochet, double crochet, skip, single crochet, double crochet, and skip. Repeat this until you just have one stitch left. Finish your repeat with skipping, and then the last stitch of the row, just work one single crochet stitch into this. And that's your row finished. And that's your one row to repeat. So repeat this row to continue working in Suzette Stitch, and then you'll end up with something that looks like this.